See why 97% of patients who had a video hair loss assessment would recommend it to their friends. People can spend hours researching information about hair loss solutions on the web, but it can be misleading and not applicable to your individual circumstances. Would you like to know what the best hair loss solution is for you? It could be as simple as tablets. If we recommend the hair transplant is the best solution, you really want to know if it's going to work for you. Once we establish that a hair transplant is suitable for you, wouldn't you want then to know how much it would cost? So, if you would like to know the answers to these questions, why not arrange a free video hair loss assessment on your phone with a member of our clinical team? These can be arranged at a convenient time for you, including weekends and evenings. And there's no better time to take this next step, as we are currently offering savings of up to £2,500 to celebrate our reopening and being listed as a COVID-19 protected clinic. If you would like to arrange a free assessment or would like more information, please click the link below.